In this video, we're going over $20 bills that sold for a ton of money. You guys don't want to miss this whatsoever. I won't waste any more time. Let's just hop right into this video. So this 1928 $20 bill sold for $18,000. And the main reason is because this is the first year they ever started producing these small size paper money bills. This is also a very highly graded bill at the 65 gem uncirculated grade, which does mean that there is no folds whatsoever on the bill. Now, to get the perfect grade of 70, you can see the margins on the left and right, that white strip all around the bill. It would need to be perfectly centered to get a higher grade. Now, the higher the grade you achieve, the more money your bill is going to be worth. This is also a light green seal, which means typically the seal and serial numbers are going to be a darker green. For whatever reason, collectors do like the light green seal because it looks a bit different. If you have a bill like this and it's a star note, you're in for a treat because this one sold for $18,000. So this is one of my favorite $20 bills ever. Now, back in 2006, this bill sold for $25,300, which I'm showing you on the screen right now. Now, just a few years ago, the same exact bill graded by PMG sold for $396,000. That just goes to show that a bill like this can dramatically increase in value over time. Now, what exactly happened here? So first, we have to understand that on the back of the bill, you're going to have a back plate number. That back plate number is located at the bottom right-hand side. Essentially, that is a plate position for the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. It's essentially an internal number so they know what position this bill was on for that specific plate. What you need to know is that the back of the bill is actually printed first, and then the front of the bill is printed second. If you look closely at this Del Monte banana sticker, you can see it's above the second print, but below the third print. The third print is the serial number and seals that you see there. You can tell it's above the second print because it's covering the 20 at the bottom right and the 20 at the top, and it's also covering part of the signature there that is the second print. What you guys need to understand that is if you ever have a retained obstruction like this, never ever remove it from the bill. I know it may be a little bit tempting to just simply peel that sticker off and see what's beneath, but by doing so, you would dramatically decrease the value of the bill. So never do that. But because this Del Monte sticker $20 bill is an iconic and probably one of the most rare and valuable errors out there, this bill sold for $396,000. So when you're looking at the front of this 1974 $20 bill, you'd have no idea that it sold for $32,900 until you flipped it over and saw that the back of the bill was a 10. Some collectors call this a double denomination error. Some people call it a $30 bill. Whatever you want to call it, just understand that if you come across one, you're in for a real treat because $32,900 for this one. This $20 bill from 2004 graded only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70, and the biggest reason why it sold for $999.99 is because this is a rare serial number. This is what collectors call a binary repeater serial number. When they say binary, they mean zeros and ones. By repeater, they mean that 010101 is repeating throughout the serial number. What you need to know is that if you come across a rare bill like this, you're in for a treat because $1,000 for this $20 bill. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube says you'll definitely enjoy the video up above, so click on that video and I'll see you inside.